how to use or how to find select activity to disconnect on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find select activity to disconnect on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down and you're gonna find off Facebook activity. Click on it. Now scroll down again and on activity control option to view or disconnect activity shared with us by business and organization you visit off of Facebook. Now click on select activity to disconnect, and here you're gonna enter your password and click on submit and follow those steps to select activity to disconnect. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.